Hey guys, so today I will show you how to make your own okra gel at home for hair growth, moisturizing dry scalp, and getting rid of dandruff. Plus, this is also a great natural hair conditioner for your hair. So this is what an okra plant looks like. Now, I planted so many in my garden and it has been producing non-stop lately. Now, okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. And all these nutrients are vital for hair health and can stimulate hair follicles to promote growth. Okra also helps strengthen and lengthen the hair. It also stops hair loss and also helps aid hair growth if applied over bald patches. Okay, so in here I just cut the top and the bottom part of the okra, and then I sliced it into many small pieces so that I can easily extract the gel rather than using it as a whole and blending it and mashing it, so that takes a long time to do. And in here you will have to adjust the portion according to how many okra you will be using. Now I used about 2 cups of water in there. Now you will have to adjust the proportion according to how many okras you will be using. So I let it cook under slow fire, and then you'll start seeing the water turn into this gel-like consistency. Now I will bring that up into a boil really quick. And when it's done, it's going to look something like this. Just be careful not to overcook it. Now I will filter out the gel from the okra. And now I know some people blend it and then use a cheesecloth to filter out the okra from the gel. But I find this process way easier and less messy to do. But you guys decide whatever process you are willing to do. And by the way, this is the color of the okra that you want, because if you overcook it, it's gonna turn a little bit darker. So this is just the perfect shade, basically, knowing that it is done. Now from here you can use this as is, but for me I typically like to use it cold. So I put them in this rosette or I say rose molder and then freeze them. And just because I find it very easy to use, and also if you are a very busy person like me, this is a great way to kind of like store them or batch make them so that you can just easily grab one if you need to use it. And I can easily store it as well if I still have leftovers. Plus I do like how cute this looks like, the aesthetics, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so now I will apply this all over my hair. And if you want to use this for getting rid of dandruff and dry scalp or hair growth, or if you're trying to regrow your hair, use this on your scalp alone. However, you can use this all over your hair, especially on the bottom part of your hair, if you want to condition or help strengthen your hair. Oh, also I forgot to mention, but this is great to use as well on clean hair and not dirty hair. So you can shampoo your hair first and then do this. And also one good thing about this is that it is very easy to wash as well and doesn't leave a pungent smell after. Just leave this on your hair for 30 minutes max and then just wash it off. And this is the result. I like how this made my hair soft after using it, especially on my scalp. I tried this 7 years ago and I totally forgot how much I like it and its effect on my hair. It's great for regrowing the hair and also improving the texture of your hair. And I've seen this mostly in the curly hair girls community. They use this a lot. And I can say that this works great on both straight hair texture and their curly hair texture as well. And just a little FYI, okra is both great to use topically and also to take in internally, since this has a lot of hair, skin, and health benefits when eaten as well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video. I actually have a lot of kind of DIYs that I personally have been using on my hair. And now since that my schedule is quite busy, these are some things that I actually do up ahead. So if you guys also have a busy schedule like me, I can teach you all some DIY that you can still do these DIYs on your hair with ease. Also let me know in the comments down below if you all are using or have been using okra on your hair as well, because I totally forgot how amazing. I really like using this on both my hair and scalp. I did this video 7 years ago just to try it out, and I got hooked with it, but then I totally forgot just because I've been using a lot of products at that time as well on my hair growth journey. But now, since that I am gardening, I have so many okras, I thought about doing it again just because of the abundance of the okra that I have in my garden. That is it. And so if you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!